for a brutally honest review of Kozy Shack original recipe rice pudding. I am weird in that I'm a full-grown adult and yet I eat rice pudding several times a week. Um, and some of the other brands like Rico's, like they just have a more traditional formulation. They put cinnamon on top. I really see rice pudding as being a very malleable kind of like nebulous type of food in that you can make it in a bunch of different ways and it's still traditionally accurate and delicious. It can be super milky and watery, or it can be kind of like more curdy and more kind of like solid and gelatinous like a pudding in terms of its viscosity. And Kozy Shack is definitely the latter as opposed to the former. It's a thick, kind of like cottage cheese consistency, curdy, like dry-ish consistency of rice pudding, if you will. When I opened it up, I was super disappointed that there was no cinnamon on top, and I was also shocked and pleasantly surprised that the serving was so small because, and these are all natural ingredients, but it's just rice, milk, and cane sugar. So, you know, we want to limit our sugar intake. So it was kind of nice that it wasn't just a huge overflowing cup. It was just a small cup, which is really all you need just to taste. The flavor was fine, but there was something in the consistency where I almost looked to see if there were some gums or some unnatural ingredients, which there aren't, which is surprising. The ingredients are actually outstanding. Excellent, simple ingredients, but something about the consistency, it was just, it was still delicious, but didn't just have that complete wow factor that really good rice pudding has.